In today's video, I'm going to show you the cheapest, easiest setup to record YouTube videos for under 50 Australian dollars. Don't waste money on expensive tripods or lighting or anything just yet. You're only just starting.
These are my secrets and they can be yours too. The first secret is to get yourself a lavalier mic, but not just any lavalier mic. A really good quality one is one from Ceremonic, and I'm not paid to endorse this product. I just love it and I'm just letting you guys know that it's available. It is the Lav Micro U1A. Now this particular version, there are two. This particular version is designed for iPads, iPhones, iPods. There is another version that has the Android, Samsung phone connection, or the usual, just a generic port there. It is $29.95 Australian dollars, and that translates to 20 US dollars. Okay. Now the reason I bought this, because I bought like a more expensive version that had like a cat's tail, like a wind breaking fluffy thing, and the wire here broke. The connection wire broke, but this is a thicker wire, so it will not break easily, and it's very flexible, and this will cut out a lot of wind noise, like most of it, unless you're in gale force winds, at which point if you raise your voice to cover, and you should never do this, to cover the sound of what you think is going into the microphone, you will cause a little bit of distortion. So don't raise your voice, just speak normally, whatever conditions you are in, and this will cut out most of the wind noise. I will now show you footage of me doing that. I'm recording this inside because I forgot to bring the box with me to do a demonstration. So I hope that helps, and on to the next section.
I'm showing the wind blowing through the trees just to show how windy it is, but that you can't actually hear the wind because the lavalier mic that I'm wearing is actually cutting it all out. It's quite brilliant, really. This is the lavalier mic, and you can see the wind blowing across my shirt there. Now normally I would have to stop recording video because I could hear the rustling of wind across the microphones in my hearing aids, and that would annoy me.
Oh, and I forgot to add that I'm currently wearing the lavalier mic, so you can actually hear the audio quality. Now, we're just starting out, and you want to go cheap first off. Eventually, you can upgrade to the more expensive microphones and things like that. Most people make the mistake of spending a whole heap of money up front wanting the best equipment before they've got an audience, before they've uploaded a single video, and before they've been monetized and all that sort of stuff. So spend as little money as you can before you get monetized, start earning the money, and then start upgrading your equipment. Okay, cool. My second secret, and possibly your second secret, is to get one of these Lazer mini folding tripods for 10 Australian dollars or 7 US dollars from Big W stores. They are amazing. Essentially it operates as a selfie stick, but also the legs fold out to become a tripod.
So this is the tripod, very easy to use. You just clip your phone in, you just extend that, slide the phone through, and you're good to go. So you just hit record on your phone, attach to any microphone. Now I'm wearing a lavalier mic. It's a bit hard to see. I'm wearing a lavalier mic. It's plugged into my other phone just so I can record myself. And all I've got to do is plug it into the phone. It's the cheapest, easiest option to getting video onto YouTube, I guarantee.
Thank you for watching my video. My name's Shane, and if you like what I'm doing, please give the video a like, Please subscribe if you want to see more, and keep watching more of my videos. And you'll see me around Adelaide. Bye for now.